Y'all see the work. What that dude sees the brother say? Y'all see the work. Yeah, this weirdo. Y'all see the work. Oh man, y'all see the work. That's the work right there. Old weirdos. 82. Let me zoom in on this. That might be it right there. It gotta be that. Let me see. Is that 82? Come on, focus, baby. I'm focused, man. Tell Stout to holler at me, man. Young Hoover, you heard? Track Master, you heard? But yeah, man, y'all see the work. Them bum ass scammers scammed all them people for that 100 million. Y'all know how it go though. This drop off right here, 82 right there, yeah.